Okay, so we left Nashville about 3 o'clock and it's about a 7 or 8 hour drive. Our ratio of miles driven to stops is not good, and I feel like at this rate we will make it there
by midnight, maybe.
Oh no, I was gonna say like by tomorrow morning in time for our appointment.
This is one of our new songs called Econoline. Shed carpet and color TV, track lighting, that gas bill ain't cheap. A couple decades off the showroom floor. They don't make them like this no more. That song is so relevant right now because we are ready to hit the road.
We are headed to Chicago to get our eyebrows microbladed. We're meeting up with Mom. We are blonde and have very fair eyebrows and eyelashes.
Like, these are drawn on.
It will be really nice to wake up and have amazing looking brows and more time to...
Uh-oh. That's my cue.
So my tire pressure light came on while we were driving down the interstate.
It's been really hot in Nashville and the temperature just dropped like the last couple of days. I feel like that kind of makes your tires do funky things.
Could be. I wonder if I have to turn the car off and back on to reset. It's still on. So we're gonna drive around for a minute and see if it goes. Oh, I think it just went off. Yay! We don't need no stinking men.
Ew, the men just walked on by. Did you see that guy?
They did actually. The hardest part was getting the cap off. It was screwed on so tight. Bottom line is, together,
we make a team. We make a pretty
together
good
we
team.
got her done.
Good morning.
Good
We made it.
morning.
Yeah, it was moments away from having really super amazing eyebrows.
We are in a suburb of Chicago. I don't even know what the name of this town is. What is it? Oh, Wooddale. Wooddale. And we got Mom. Hey! We're so happy to be reunited. Certainly there are people in Nashville that do microblading, but we literally fell in love with her Instagram. The results are just insane. It looks like real hair, and I'm like, how is that even microblading? We are here with Nicolette. This is Nicolette.
Hey.
And she is going to be microblading our brows. I have some numbing cream on my brows and she's getting ready to draw them on, sort of like a stencil, right? To show me what they will look like.
Yeah.
Measure twice, cut once.
It looks really scary now, but I'm really not going outside of your normal eyebrows.
So it'll fill in like all that space?
Yep, for sure. And you can see this one has a little bit less arch over here.
Yeah.
Which I wouldn't be able to notice unless I was measuring. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh God, does it make me want to sneeze?
Yep. You might have to sneeze,
no.
but it won't come out.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is...
She's a sneeze.
Oh my gosh. No, this is gonna be terrible. I didn't think of this.
Every morning when I comb her hair.
I have such a sensitive sneezer. Okay, but it's gonna be okay.
But there's people that literally have to sneeze after each stroke, so you're doing good so far.
Oh my God, I'm gonna sneeze.
It's okay.
This is really funny. How is that a thing?
I think because of the sinuses, it's so
Oh,
close
I'm gonna
to
sneeze.
there.
I'm gonna sneeze.
This is another weird thing with blondes mostly.
Really?
Yes.
Oh God, oh God, oh God. So I am done and my eyebrows look amazing.
It looks a little toasty right now, but that'll go down in like 2 hours. Just the lidocaine causes a little bit more redness.
Powered through the sneezes.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
That was
so much.
The sneezing was rough. And my eyes, I'm like, nothing happened to my eyes, but my eyes are red. But they look awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm
They're
so
beautiful.
excited. Yay! Look at those brows. Oh my gosh, Lindsay, that's insane.
This is so exciting.
That looks like hair.
It does, I know. How does she do that? I don't know.
I don't know. The color,
It's
spot on.
Really a great color. Like I couldn't even find a pencil this color.
Yep.
But it kind of hurt. But the thing that was actually the worst for me was the sound. It was like crunch. It's crunchy.
We all have fabulous brows now, thanks to Nicolette Hermes. You should check out her Instagram. If you're anywhere near the Chicago area, go see her. All of our brows look amazing.
I love mine.
Look at that. Mom.
That's crazy.
Mom.
I know.
That's
I know.
just ridiculous.
Woohoo!
Yes.
We may be going with no makeup because we have eyebrows. That's all we need. Look at her.
And by the way, hers are real.
Yeah, sorry.
Hers are real. See you later. Bye. Cheers, Matt.
So good. We united. And if you're old enough to remember that one. This one perfect and honey, this one is it. We're both so excited cause we're reunited.
Emily's like, I don't know this song.
I know reunited and it feels so good. I just didn't know all the other words. But
Anyway,
love you guys, and we will see you guys soon.
bye.
Here you go to stage 5 sneezer on your hands.
Oh, as long
my
as you're not a
gosh.
clinger.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
I'll be okay.